equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. First, power off the laptop and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of the screws. They can be small and easy to lose. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel with the spudger. Be careful not to damage the clips. Inside, check for dust and debris. Use the microfiber cloth to clean the fans and vents. This helps improve airflow and cooling. Next, visually inspect the components. Look for any signs of damage or loose connections. If you notice anything unusual, it might be time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you need repairs, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple process. Before any repair, you'll receive a quote, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision about your laptop's care. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.